student, welcome to my channel online tutorial by Vishali. Good morning. So today I'm starting with fluid dynamics video number 5. 1 till 4 videos are already discussed. The link is given in the description box below. We were discussing chapter number 1 kinematics equation of continuity. In this video we will discuss equivalence between Lagrangian and Eulerian method. Chapter number 1 is very important as exam point of view. Okay. So if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your classmates. Now let's start with the video. The question usually comes in this form: equivalence between Eulerian and Lagrangian form of equation of continuity. You have to derive this or you have to show the derivation. Fine. Now answer starts from here. Let initially a fluid particle be at a point P. The coordinate will be ABC at a time t equal to T0 when its volume is dV0 and density is ρ0. After a lapse of a time t, the same fluid particle be at a point P dash xyz when its volume is dV and density is ρ. If you have seen my video of Lagrange method, you will easily understand this. Now take a small pipe and we'll think or imagine that fluid is moving from left side towards the right side. Okay, now if the particles of the fluid is going from this side to this side, we assume that there is one particle at a position P. As pipe is three-dimensional body, so its coordinate will be x, y, z. Okay, at a time t. But here it is written ABC, so I'll take ABC. ABC. A small particle is at a point P and its coordinate is ABC. Fine, like this. This is ABC, this is 1 point. Okay, now after a lapse of a time t, after this is at a time t0, and now after a time t, the particles travel and reach to a point P dash. Now the particle reach to a point P dash. Okay, and the coordinate of this will be x, y, z. This is three-dimensional body, so anything you can use, any variable you can use to show the three-dimensional thing. Okay, when its volume is dV and density is ρ0, but at this point, the small section, for this small section, the density is dV0. dV0. The density is, dV0 is the volume for this small section and density is ρ0. For this section, the density is dV and the, volume is dV and the density is ρ. Clear? Volume is dV and the density is ρ. For initial position, the volume is dV0 and density is ρ0. I hope this is clear to you. So by figure you can understand very clearly. Now the velocity component is in the two systems are connected by the equations. The velocity component in the two systems are connected by the equations is what? U is equals to this, V is equals to this, W is equals to this when Q is equals to this. They are saying about the velocity component. What is velocity? Velocity is distance upon time taken. We already know. We have studied in 8th class, distance upon time taken. What is Q? Q is the velocity of the fluid. Okay, so it has three components as the liquid is flowing in a three-dimensional body. So we can represent it as Ui plus Vj plus Wk. It is x direction velocity, y direction velocity and z direction velocity. So U can be written as, for x direction, this is the x direction. Okay, so it can be written as dx by dt and dx by dt can be written as this x dot. Similarly, V can be written as dy by dt like this and z can be written as dz by dt. Fine. So these are the velocity components. Now when we have a velocity components, these and this is the velocity. Now A, B, C are the coordinates of the initial position and X, Y, Z are the final position coordinates with respect of time t. So that's why they have said ki X depend on the initial coordinates and the time taken t. Similarly, Y depends on this and Z depends on this. So that means Z is a function of these four, Y is a function of these four, X is a function of these four. So in such type of equations, we can easily find first and the second derivative. This I have already explained you in the first video. In the first video where I have told you the definition of Lagrangian method and Eulerian method. Eulerian method, in the case of Eulerian method, the initial particle positions, means the final positions, depend on initial positions and they depend on time taken t. So at that case we can find the first derivative and the second derivative. First derivatives gives you velocity, the second derivatives gives you acceleration. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, they have done it here. Del u by del a is equals to del by del a and u is dx by dt. So we can take this out, d by dt, we can write it del x by del a. Similarly for v by a. Okay. Now J is a constant, which I have already told you in the previous video, is can be written as final position depend on initial position. So we can write it like this, del xyz upon del abc. Fine. So we can expand it, del x by del a, del x by del b, del x by del c, del y by del a, del y by del b, del y by del c, del z by del a, del z by del b, del z by del c. Now we can expand this more. First we have to write dj by dt. In the previous we have find j, which is equals to that, and now we want to find the dj by dt. Okay, dj by dt. What is dj by dt? We can expand it like this, del u by del a, del u. Now see previous one, it is x, it is x, it is x, it is x. Okay, then y, and then z, z. So similarly we have written, see this one, first one, first you can remember it like this, first row is replaced by u, del u by del a, del u by del b, del u by del c, remaining to remain same, del y by del a, so on for with y, then so on with z, plus. Now the first will remain same, only second will change. Second will, it is first one is u, second one is v, del v by del a, del v by del b, del v by del c, and the third will remain same. See, now here first and second will remain same. The previous which we have used for x and y, previous which we have used for x and y, and the third is for w. Now this is y and now this is for w, del w by a, del w by b, del w by c. This is represented by j1 constant, j2 constant and j3 constant. Now dj by dt can be written as sum of these three. Okay. Now what is j1? j1 is this, del u by del a, del u by del b, del u by del c, then y, and then for z. Fine. Now we can multiply this del by del x, del u by del x, del x by del a. Fine. Similarly we will do with y here. Okay. Similarly we can do for z. Okay. And this we have done, we have only expanded del u by del a, del u by del x by del a, plus del u by del y by del a, then del u by del z by del a. This is the first term. Okay, first element, a11 element, and then this remains same, del y by del a, and this will remain same, del z by del a. Okay, fine. This is, I think this is the transpose they have taken. This is, they have taken transpose. Del u by del b, del u by del b will be expanded same as del u by del a. Similarly del u by del c is expanded like this. The remaining terms will remain as such. Okay. Now when we solve that, when we solve this portion, what we will get, just see here. We expand it like this, del u by del x, del xyz, del abc, del u by del y, del yyz, abc, del u by del z, del zyz, abc. Now you know here it can be written as j. Okay, j del u by del x. Y is repeated, so this term will become 0, and here z repeated, the term will become 0. Del u by del y and del u by del z will be as such. So we get only this term, which is j1. j1 value is j del u by del x. Okay, all determinants, because when you open you will get this in a form of determinants, and two rows are common or two columns are common. At that case determinant value vanishes, so that's why we have put 0 here. Okay. Similarly we can do for j2, it will become j del u by del y. Similarly for j3, j del w by del z. So now what is dj by dt? dj by dt is equals to j dj by dt is j, del u by del x, del u by del y. And what is j? J was j1 plus j2 plus j3. So we can add these three. J will remain common. Okay, and we can take j out, and this will be inside. What is this? This is delta q. Okay, so this is the equation number 2. Now step number 1. Step number 1 is Lagrangian equation of continuity. Now we are using, because we have to show the equivalence between Lagrangian and Eulerian equation of continuity. So here we are using with Lagrangian equation. Lagrangian equation of continuity. I hope you know rho j equals to rho 0 is the Lagrangian equation of continuity. So we can write it like this. d by dt is rho j, which is equals to 0. Okay, so we can also split it like this, d rho by dt into j and rho dj by dt, which is equals to 0. And then we can write it like this, j del rho by del t plus rho j delta q, which is equals to 0. From where we get delta, it is this j we take out, then d rho by dt plus rho into dj by dt, dj by dt, dj by dt into rho. So rho will be as such. Now d by dt can be written as rho dot q, and j will be as such. Okay, so it is rho j delta q, which is equals to 0. Now dividing throughout by j or removing j, okay, so it will become, it is d, okay, it will become d rho by dt plus rho dot del q. Okay, this is the Eulerian equation. So we have started from Lagrangian and we obtained the Eulerian method. Same we will do in step number 2. We will starting with Eulerian method. Eulerian equation of continuity is d rho by dt plus rho dot delta q equal to 0. This is Eulerian equation of continuity. Now we can do like this, d rho by dt plus rho dot 1 up del q. Del q can be written as 1 upon j dj by dt. This we have just now done, equal to 0 by using 2. Okay, now we can take LCM, so it will become j dot d rho dt plus rho dj by dt equal to 0. And now we can write it like this, d by dt rho j equal to 0. Okay, and then integrating it both the side, what we will get? Rho j equal to rho 0. This is the Lagrangian equation of continuity. So we have started from Eulerian and we have obtained the Lagrangian equation of continuity. Okay, so in this video we have shown the equivalence between the two. That means we have started from Lagrange, obtained the Eulerian, and started from Eulerian and obtained the Lagrangian. But the previous concepts which we have built is to use those small concepts to obtain these two. Okay, if the video is clear to you, so please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your classmates. Till then, goodbye and take care, and thanks for watching my videos.